and the beast on the road. The real steel armored mega SUV, known as the Armor Truck, will win your heart with just one look. The sturdy giant is the hero of the road. The four-seater SUV is built with smart technology and marvelous design and will run for your love of speed. The beauty also comes with immaculate safety and extraordinary features that protect you when the adrenaline takes you over. The scissor doors, the door steps, the automatic hood, the air cooling system on the top are just a few of the top-notch features of this powerful mega SUV. Armor Truck comes with the ergonomic seats that are designed in such a way to increase the comfort for the driver and passenger. The wide leg space gives you enough room to feel safe and secure and also enjoy the ride. The wide tires are strong and sturdy that keep the SUV riding in any terrain, smooth or rough. Its simple yet futuristic dashboard keeps you glued to its beauty. The SUV is sure to be the talk of the town for its design and power. Its powerful engine vrooms and grooms your ride just within seconds. The concept of Armor Truck, embodied with impeccable smart technology and robust design, can also be used in military pursuits. Armor Truck is a Herculean beauty that can ride on any surface, literally any surface. The interiors are made to maintain the oxygen level, keeping in mind the comfort of the passengers. This means Armor Truck can also ride in any dangerous environment, irrespective of the oxygen conditions. Needless to say, this is the future of SUVs. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.